A pediatrician has a warning tonight about PFAS and things other than water. We've reported extensively on the health concerns of forever chemicals spilled into the Cape Fear River.
Health experts, though, are also sounding alarms about many of those same compounds showing up in materials we use every day. WECT's Mara McJilton spoke to the pediatrician today about dangers some of those same chemicals pose to young kids.
While there are still more questions than answers about PFAS chemicals impacting our bodies, now health experts are working to nail down what some of the long-term impacts might be.
When you start to learn about this, it starts to give you the heebie-jeebies.
Dr. Soren Johnson, a pediatrician with Novant Health, is keeping an eye on the impact of forever chemicals and says while we should be worried about our drinking water, PFAS are present in a growing number of everyday items. And that's concerning for people like young kids and pregnant women.
Don't buy nonstick stuff. Like if you're looking at the market for a new couch, maybe you think twice before getting that stain-resistant fabric because it's gonna have one of these type of compounds in it.
And he says some fast food wrappers, to-go containers, and even carpets can also contain these compounds. Now they're starting to get an idea of how forever chemicals impact human health.
The things that have been most strongly linked are impaired growth of fetuses, so problems with fetal development. It's been thyroid disease, thyroid problems. Then liver and kidney issues have been connected with this also.
Dr. Johnson says researchers are making progress because our bodies can't break down forever chemicals.
It's slower to get that data, and that evidence has to collect and build up over time to make it convincing where you realize, oh, okay, this compound really is causing XYZ illness. That's probably the take-home message is we know these are impacting tissues. It's probably going to have an effect. So it's more a question of how do we determine what is a safe level of exposure, or how can we eliminate them entirely and just find a different way to, achieve the same results we're looking for in our stain-resistant carpets.
So that these health impacts aren't forever. Now, Dr. Johnson mentioned the importance of knowing what's in our drinking water. He says if you have kids at home, it's a good idea to get a water filter for your tap just to be safe. Mara McJilton, WECT News.